How much should you really spend on Reebok running shoes? I mean, you've got $50 models and $90 ones, all claiming to be lightweight and responsive. But here's the thing, price doesn't always match performance. Some cheap ones surprise you while others cost more but don't deliver. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, Energen Luxe Men's. First up, the Reebok Men's Energen Luxe at $56.43. Right off the bat, this shoe stands out for its engineered mesh upper that feels like wearing a sock with structure, super breathable and light. If you want all-day comfort without overheating your feet during casual runs or gym sessions, this is worth a serious look. The sculpted midsole gives a springy bounce, and it's built from a mix of the Energen 2 and 3 designs, so you're getting proven tech in a fresh package. It's not built for marathons, but for light runners or guys who walk a lot. The cushioning hits that sweet spot between soft and supportive. Over 200 sold last month shows people are noticing. Now, some might say the outsole looks basic, and honestly, it is. There's no aggressive tread pattern, so if you're hitting muddy trails or wet pavement hard, grip could be an issue. But for city sidewalks, treadmills, or dry outdoor paths, it holds up fine. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile, everyday athletic shoe that won't break the bank. Skip it if you're training for speed or running on uneven terrain. For under $60, you're getting solid value with style that doesn't scream gym only. Product number 2, Energen Luxe Women's. Now, if the men's Energen Luxe caught your eye, the women's version at the same $56.43 price point follows the exact same formula, just tailored for a female fit. The engineered mesh upper keeps things airy, and the sculpted midsole delivers that same springy responsiveness. If you're a woman looking for a comfortable, multi-purpose shoe for light jogging, walking, or gym workouts, this one's a strong contender. It comes in sleek colors like black, white, navy, and even pink, so you don't have to sacrifice style. Over 100 sold recently shows it's gaining traction. That said, just like the men's version, the outsole lacks deep grooves or aggressive traction, so again, not ideal for slippery or rugged surfaces. Some users might also find the toe box a bit narrow if you have wider feet. But for average-width feet and casual use, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, breathable shoe that transitions from errands to a light run. Skip it if you need serious arch support or plan to run on trails. At this price, it's a smart pick for everyday movement. Product number 3, Walk Ultra 7 DMX Max. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for walkers who still want running shoe comfort. The Reebok Men's Walk Ultra 7 DMX Max at $70.61. If you're someone who walks miles daily but wants that runner's bounce, this bridges the gap perfectly. It's got a durable rubber outsole and a roomy toe box, making it great for long hours on your feet. Only 50 plus sold recently, so it's flying under the radar, but that doesn't mean it's not good. The downside, it looks more like a walking shoe than a performance runner, so if you care about aesthetics during actual runs, it might feel off. Also, the cushioning can feel a bit too soft for faster paces. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort over speed and log serious walking mileage. Skip it if you're training for races or want a sleek running look. For the price, it's a hidden gem for low-impact athletes. Product number 4, Zignition Men's. Now, if you're ready to step up in performance, the Reebok Zignition at $83.46 brings serious tech to the table. The Fuel Foam Plus EVA midsole is shaped in a zigzag pattern that cuts weight while boosting energy return, so every stride feels lighter and more efficient. If you're running 5Ks regularly or even training for longer distances, this shoe is built to keep up without weighing you down. The breathable mesh upper hugs your foot without pressure points, and the rubber outsole grips well on roads and gym floors. No reviews yet, but the design language screams performance. One catch, the zigzag foam can feel a bit firm at first, like it needs a break-in period. Some runners might find it less plush than expected, especially if they're used to max cushion shoes. But once you adapt, the responsiveness shines. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, efficient ride for daily training runs. Skip it if you prefer ultra-soft cushioning or are recovering from injury. At $83, it's a fair deal for the tech inside. Product number 5, Split Flex Men's. Finally, the Reebok Men's Split Flex at $89.87, the priciest on this list, and for good reason. This isn't just a running shoe, it's a hybrid built for cross-training, agility work, and short runs. The split outsole design lets your foot move naturally during jumps, climbs, and lateral cuts while still offering responsive cushioning. If you're into HIIT, CrossFit, or mixed workouts, this shoe adapts where others fall short. It's sleek, supportive, and built to handle chaos. And this is a big but it's overkill if you only run straight-line distances. The flexibility that helps during burpees can feel unstable during long, steady runs. Also, at nearly $90, it's a commitment. This is perfect for you if your workouts are varied and demand versatility. Skip it if you're a dedicated road runner. You're paying for adaptability, not pure running efficiency. So which Reebok should you grab? The Energen Luxe models win for budget-friendly daily wear. The Walk Ultra 7 is a sleeper hit for walkers. The Zignition delivers real running performance, and the Split Flex dominates in cross-training. No single shoe does it all, but one of these definitely fits your routine. Drop your running style in the comments. I'd love to help you pick the right pair.